let's invite co-founder and CEO of Polkadot Blockchain Academy, Pauline Cohen Vorms. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pauline Cohen Vorms. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of the Polkadot Blockchain Academy. Today, I want to talk to you about what comes after the hype, how education and talent development will determine whether Web3 becomes a lasting part of the global economy or if it's just a passing wave. We live in an industry of extremes. Billions of dollars have moved through blockchains. Thousands of tokens have launched. And yet, when we ask the average person how do they use blockchain in their daily life, their answer is, I don't. The technology is powerful, but the problem is human adoption. We built for speculation and not for use. Every protocol has layers: consensus, governance, interoperability. But there is one missing layer, the human layer. We built incredible networks, but we didn't build enough people who truly understand them. Developers, policymakers, academia, they are all working in silos. Education is the final interoperability layer that connects technology to society. Every major industry, the internet, AI, fintech, goes through the same cycle: hype, crash, and then real-world adoption. Blockchain is no different. What bridges that valley between the hype and the utility is education. People who know how to build, how to regulate, and how to govern. That's what turns experiment into infrastructure. Now, if we really look from hype to utility, real utility means solving real problems. We were just in Indonesia, in Bali, with the Polkadot Blockchain Academy, working through educating local developers, as well as working closely with the government to bring Indonesia on chain. And there, blockchain is being used to track public infrastructure, to imagine bringing industries, the old fishing industries, supply chain for carbon emission, water purification on chain. What does it mean to really bring a nation on chain? This is solving real-life, real-world use cases. Governments are experimenting with blockchain-based registries. Many of those projects have started with education. They've actually started in the classroom with trained people who knew what to build, but more importantly, why. And that's what we do in the Polkadot Blockchain Academy. It's connecting and working with multiple ecosystems to connect the experts, the advisors, the faculties, and the builders to work on real-life use cases and make sure blockchain doesn't just stay a hype, but become actually used in mass adoption. It's a cycle of learning, building, and real-world impact. That's what a sustainable ecosystem looks like. And so, when we think about the future of blockchain education, mass adoption will only happen through mass education. We need millions of builders, not millions of tokens. We need government, universities, and private sectors to learn to collaborate, not compete, around this technology. And cities like Dubai, or more broadly the Emirates, with their global vision and openness to education, are placed at the forefront of this next phase. So my call to action here is pretty simple. Stop teaching protocols. Start teaching purpose. Whether you're an investor, a policymaker, or a developer, focus on what blockchain enables, not what it contains. utility isn't about code, it's about impact. The world doesn't need more blockchains. It needs more builders who understand why decentralization matters. And that's what we're trying to build. Please join us in that next phase. Thank you very much.